everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Life of Lamaj. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, quick thumbs up, and comment down below. This video will be my first DIY of my grass wall that I use not only for my YouTube channel but also to promote my shirts for my business. The video will be broken down into 3 parts: my unboxing time lapse, my up close of purchased products, and my actual DIY. Let's get to it. In addition to my time-lapse video showing my unboxing, I want to take a few seconds just to do an up-close video of everything that I purchased. But all of this stuff was actually purchased off of Amazon, except my sign, which purchased off of Etsy. I'm going to start with the grass. Basically, this is how the grass looks up close in the front. This is how it looks in the back. Basically, it comes with tabs along the edges that you use to connect one piece to the next, and it also comes with zip ties. Now, I don't think I'm going to use either one of those. I think I want to use just thumbtacks to hold it up and see if it works. It comes in different sizes, different packages. You can get like a 6-pack or 8-pack or 12-pack, and you just have to measure what size squares you prefer. Now, I was not trying to fill a big area. As you can see, I only need this space behind my couch. So I did not need a lot, so I only ended up with an 8-pack, and that so far seems like it should work for me. Now, in addition to my grass, I wanted lighting. I saw a lot of people use the strip LED lights, you know, like the kind that you use in the bedroom or behind your TV, things like that. I did not personally want to use those. I wanted something different to look a little more, you know, sleek on my background. So I ended up finding these. They came in a 2-pack. They were not expensive at all. I want to say like $12. And they came in different colors. You can get this part as silver or gold. I got the rose gold. But what they do is you put batteries in them, and boom, when you turn them on, they actually can turn different colors, which I like. So what I'm going to do is hang these above my grass wall and be able to just shine, have light shine down on it to stand out a little more. They both also come with remotes to change the different colors, turn it on. You can dim them, have them high, bright. This also, I forgot to show you, turns 360. So you can turn it whichever way you want. Now, so I had been looking at this on Amazon for a while. So I had strolled across this rug that was a $100 bill. It is a $100 bill rug. Yeah. So anyway, I thought it was cute. I like it. Hopefully it'll give it a little touch to my background. Now, lastly, I will show y'all my sign. So I got this off of Etsy. Sorry, my daddy cut a piece of the board. I don't know why, but he cut it before he brought it back to me. So I bought this off of Etsy. I wanted to spray paint it gold. Now, did it come out the gold I was looking for? Of course not. I kind of want to repaint it and turn it white, and that way it'll kind of complement my couch that's already white. And then if I turn the lights on a certain color, I think it'll kind of just give it that extra pop that I'm looking for. But either way, I just wanted to give you a quick up close of everything that I purchased. I will make sure I put all of the details down below. Back to the video. So while I was editing, I realized my kids decided to make an appearance. I'm so used to them that I didn't pay any attention to the fact that I was recording. So yeah, sorry, but this is definitely Life of Lamaj. And that was my grass wall DIY. Hope you like it. Once again, I'll be adding all of the details and links down in the description box. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, quick thumbs up, and comment down below. See you next time. This is Life of Lamont.